Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, sorry if you can hear some noise, my dad's just on the phone downstairs and we've got very thin walls and stuff. But basically, I saw this idea on Leah. If you don't know who Leah Smith is, make sure you go check her TikTok and YouTube is Leah's Journey, I'm pretty sure. But basically she did colours only eating foods of the her cancer ribbon. Now me and her share the same cancer ribbon because we both have bone cancer. So I thought I would do that as well. So to start off, I got some orange juice. It looks orangey, but it's basically yellow. I don't think I'm going to be doing drinks the whole day because I drink a lot of water. So, and I've got some, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Oh, yes, I got some cocoa squares, and we were going to get yellow milk, but at the moment we are stuck in quarantine for 12 weeks. Well, that's recommended, because I'm immune suppressed. So, with this whole coronavirus that's going on, it's just best for me and my brother and my dad to stay inside. Well, the schools are shutting today anyway, it's the last day, I'm pretty sure. Sorry if I sound a bit all clogged up. I always sound like that when I first wake up. I've not got coronavirus, don't worry. But I'm just going to watch some Netflix and eat this. And then, yeah, I'll see you in a minute. I finished breakfast. I added a time lapse of me eating it, but I'll be back when I next eat. But I just say now, my dad is doing this with me. He had shredded wheat breakfast. I don't normally eat breakfast up here, but today I decided to. It's not often that I do this. I normally have it downstairs. It's currently 11:30, so I probably won't see you now until I eat lunch because like I've missed my snack thing. So normally I would have breakfast, then for a snack I would have a piece of fruit, which today would have been a banana. So I might have that later, maybe with some custard. So, but yeah, my dad is doing this as well, but I just didn't film him this morning just because he was downstairs. Him?
No. Yeah.
Gunner, come on! What's this? Gunner! Oh yeah, nothing. Absolutely.
Gunner!
Gunner! Come on, Gunner! Gunner, let's go! Freeze! Racing back here, racing back this way. Gunner! Gunner! He's still going. Gunner! Gunner! Come on in! Come on in! What's this? He's not going back. Gunner! Come on! Let's go! Come on! What's this? Come on in! Come on in, Gunner! Go on, boy! What's this? What's this? Go here, what's this? Here he is.
No!
Oh, good
Oh, he's
boy.
like covered in spit. Gunner! Gunner, are you gonna move? Come on. Come on, Gunner. He'll be back. He'll be back. Just come here.
I'll sit with you.
Come here. Gunner.
He's coming back.
Gunner, come on. He literally won't move.
So guys, as you would have seen, we just went for a walk. We didn't have any contact with anyone, don't worry. But it's now lunchtime and I've just made some noodles. Now, the noodles are yellow. So I'm going to have these. I don't know what my dad's going to have yet. But okay, so I may sound out of breath just because I've just come up the stairs. But I've finished my noodles. And now I have got a banana because it's obviously yellow. And I got skips. Now the outside is yellow, I'm pretty sure they are as well. They're basically yellow. But I'm going to eat these while I do some work. I haven't actually had work set for me, but they're just homework, like maths homeworks that I just didn't do because I wasn't very well at the time. So I'll just do them. But yeah.
So it's now dinner. Reese is kind of joining in the challenge-ish. But I've got egg fried rice, curry, and then some naan bread as well. Enjoy Reese eating. Is that nice?
Hi.
But yeah, this is yellow. Like
I got white rice.
yeah. Reese, like we got egg fried rice just because it was mainly yellow. But Reese has just got normal white rice and he's enjoying that naan bread. Finish off the yellow foods, ignore all the mess in the background. This is my last yellow thing. So I've got bananas with custard, and I got my spoon as well. But yeah, this is the last thing, and I'll be back to end it once I've eaten it, but it's really hot. Why did I choose to touch the bottom? But yeah, I'll be back once I've finished. Okay, so now I finished my banana and custard, and it was really nice. So the reason I wanted to do this video is because I saw Leah Smith. Her YouTube is called Leah's Journey. So make sure you go check it out. I saw her do it, and it's like a good way to spread awareness of the different colour ribbons for different cancers and stuff. So since I'm stuck in quarantine for 12 weeks, I'm only allowed to walk out. I'm not allowed to have any interaction with anyone. I'm not allowed to touch anything, like say like we go to the park, I'm not allowed to touch anything there. I'm not allowed to be within 2 meters of people, and that's the same for my dad and my brother. So my brother got sent home from school. The school has shut today anyway. That means Reese is technically finished school because he's in year 11, which is quite scary because he hasn't sat his exams. His exams have been cancelled. My dad can't go into work at the moment, but I just wanted to, like, I'll probably be more active, but it will hardly be going outside, like, at all. Like, we went for a walk today, but that won't be every day. That was a really loud noise. But yeah, I just wanted to do this to spread awareness and stuff, and the reason I did yellow was because bone cancer / sarcoma is yellow. It can also be bladder cancer, but I don't have bladder cancer. I had osteosarcoma, which is a bone cancer. But yeah, I will see you in the next video, which I don't know when that will be. But yeah, I'll see you then. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.